Ziyawa Mzansi on yet another beautiful episode, beautiful day. Inibingelele futhi kanjalo. Siphinde siqhubeke la sagcina khona. There's this boy Longwe Twala. Today he was back at court attender based on that thing eyakenzeka before, because he was due to appear at court and then he failed to attend, and then there was a warrant of arrest that was issued again on him, because remember wahamba waya or wa arrest rather, he was arrested because his father opened a case against him, pressed charges against him of theft, because allegedly the father says that he stole music equipment from his studio worth around 200k or so. So then Longwe was arrested. But now there's I guess it would be me ozobe ati or created this conspiracy yokuthi uLongwe is not arrested because he stole his father's equipment lapha studio. This is me thinking, this is me saying he was rather arrested because there is another case that fails to come to a conclusion, because there are so many things that do not add up. If you know very well, you'll know that there's this current trial Yakasenzo Meyiwa that deals with his murder that does not get to be concluded. There were people in the house where Senzo Meyiwa died, and there are so many versions of the story, there are so many narratives that we've heard so far since the trial saw itself in that courtroom at Pretoria. Now, the thing that makes me to say ukuthi, that makes me to raise this conspiracy ukuthi uLongwe Twala has got something to do with that murder yakaMeyiwa, it's because the matter yakaMeyiwa fails to be concluded because there are so many things ezenziwe lapha on that case ezingekho right, from the investigating team to the people who were in the house, and also there are people who are allegedly being protected, the high-ranking officials. And I wouldn't mention any names, but looking at the stories SKSazizwa so far since this trial has been in that courtroom, is that Longwe had a gun on the day Umeyiwa died, and that gun went off and then a shot was fired. As a result of that, Umeyiwa passed on. And again, there are so many people who were in that house who were never accountable for ukufa kwakaMeyiwa. But that's not the matter I wanted to talk about on this video. On this video, I wanted to talk about uLongwe specifically, because according to me, he's a person of interest, of which I believe the state in the matter regarding ukufa kwakaMeyiwa is sidelining uLongwe, including others who were inside the house. And a testimony that, and indlela ehamba ngayo this trial, or rather the direction it is taking, is that there are 5 guys who are standing trial currently in the matter of Senzo Meyiwa, and those guys, according to me, those guys are innocent, and that's a topic for discussion, and anyone has a right to say those guys are involved, and I also have a right to say those guys are not involved, because there was no robbery in that house. So now uLongwe was the way mina ngiyibona ngakhona, uChicco Twala, who is the father of Longwe Twala, opened a case against Longwe Twala to shield him against some of the things that are involved in the current trial that is running in Pretoria right now, that has to do with the death of Senzo Meyiwa. And ukuboshwa kaBalongwe is to protect him from being arrested, because naye, this is according to me, allegedly, he is involved in that matter as much as Ukeli is involved. Why I say that? Because what Makala, this trial, iba igain spotlight and traction and public attention. We saw Ukeli Khumalo running around with a lawyer, and at that time no one had said anything about Ukeli Khumalo, but she was running around with a lawyer and stuff. And right now we see Longwe being arrested for stealing his father's stuff. I don't think ukuthi uboshelwe ukuthi utshontshe izinto zasestudio. No, Longwe uboshwe because he's being shielded so that it doesn't go and face and stand trial for the things that happened in that house, the Fosloras, when Meyiwa died. But then that's not why I was doing this video. So I don't want to make long videos on this channel. In fact, this is just me venting my thoughts and my opinions, and yeah, everyone is welcome to share whatever they want to share on this channel. I welcome everyone. Thank you very much for all those who are subscribing. Yes, the channel is very small, but I really appreciate everything that you guys are doing for this channel. And yeah, right now I'm gonna end this video right now, and this video was supposed to be about Longwe, and let me end it right here and now. I don't want to do more videos that take up 10 minutes or more, so I'm gonna make it short so that kuba lula nagimi ukuthi ngiphinde ngibuye futhi. And yeah, I'll see you on another one. From me to you, yeah, ngisabe kahle.
Aldrin, as you've said, Longwe Twala has been in and out of the Randburg Magistrate Court since his arrest in September. Of course, as you've said, he failed to provide to the court any documentation or proof that he could not make those proceedings for his hearing. You would remember that the very same court in September released him on bail after his legal team successfully argued that he was not a flight risk, and they emphasized specifically that he would be able to attend all those proceedings. Well, after his re-arrest again on the 26th of November, of course, Twala appeared last week where he told the court that his aunt, in fact, was supposed to bring the medical certificate or proof to the court that he would not be able to make it. The aunt, in fact, denied this, said she had no knowledge of this whatsoever. It was also revealed by the investigating officer during proceedings last week that the premises of which where Longwe Twala had written down and stated in his statement that he would be residing at, the investigating officer found that he was not there, and the fact that he was not even residing there. And so, of course, the court ruled that he will again now remain in custody, or is expected to appear for his bail application today. And we'll hear further, of course, if this at all will affect the bail outcome that we're expecting to hear this morning. Aldrin.